Hey everyone, I'm sure by now you've heard about this big beautiful bill that just passed and how it could save realtors and self-employed folks thousands in taxes if you plan ahead. So let's break that down so you keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. First, if you're like me and you run your real estate business through an LLC or Schedule C, every dollar you write off drops your taxable income personally. So you want to write off everything that's legit and documented. This bill also brought back 100% bonus depreciation. That means computers, phones, staging gear, cameras, even that big SUV for showings can be written off in full this year. If you want it for business, buy it smart, keep the receipt. You got a dedicated space at home? The home office deduction is your friend. Utilities, insurance, repairs, it all counts. Just make sure it's truly a workspace and take a photo for your records. If you drive a lot for listings or showings, log your miles. It adds up quick. And any travel for training or client meetings is 100% deductible too. So save those receipts. The state and local tax cap is now $40,000. That's a huge jump. Prepay your property taxes if you can and stash some profit in a SEP, IRA, or solo 401k. That's pure tax savings for your future. Now here's a classic move. Pay your kids for real help, like mailers, social media. Their pay lowers your taxable income and stays tax-free for them up to the standard deduction. If you want my free checklist and receipt tracker, DM me tax savings or drop a comment below. Let's keep more of what we earn and put Uncle Sam on notice that we're doing it by the book. Now look, I'm not a CPA by trade, but saving more of my hard-earned money is very important. You stay tuned for more videos coming with more wealth building tips. Hey, we might even have a local CPA coming up to help elaborate on some of these new laws. Like, share, and follow for more real estate tips that actually build wealth. I'm Jason McMichael with Real Broker. See you soon.